That's the one I don't think I even checked that one. So we probably didn't tighten it.
Which one?
This one.
Is it leaking from the hose or from the fitting?
Oh my god, guys.
So let's cut that down.
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like it's just leaking from the joint.
What?
That's a little tiny drip. That means it's coming up here.
Man,
that means the pumps.
You know what that means?
What?
She's wet.
What?
You didn't hear that, right? No. Okay, good.
That's what she said.
Mike. She's wet. She's dripping.
Drip, drip. Smells so good.
Yeah,
that shit gets on your skin. Hold that.
I'm gonna cry like a little baby.
Yeah, you will. How tight is it?
It's tight. I think it's leaking from the connection.
It looks like it was coming from here though.
Wait, yeah.
Watch out.
But
You're gonna grab his watch?
fuck.
Damn! Anyways. 1K like, 3 posters from Pam.
Alright. So, that's all the way clamped here. See, was it leaking from here or here? Let's start with this one.
Don't open that. Are you gonna open it?
No, I'm gonna just try to tighten it a little more.
God damn, I think it's leaking from this line though.
Huh?
I think it's leaking from the line, you don't think so?
It might. Is that down? Is it wet down the line?
Yeah.
Let's just check it. We'll try this first. And then if anything, we'll just
Redo this one.
take it off just to recap it. And then
Mike, tell us what's going on.
we're just checking the lines, making sure
We got a little
everything's
drip
tight.
going on.
We got a little bit of a drip, so we just want to make sure there's no fuel leaking.
Let me get that.
And this shit burns.
I think it was tight enough. It's just leaking from here.
I mean, it may be leaking from this little end joint too, because that one's a little loose, so I'm going to
Yeah.
tighten that up. Just to see.
You gotta loosen this first. You gotta loosen the main one, or else this one won't turn. Or crack this one. This one.
I'm just trying to get it wide enough so that you can't go over.
Down.
Huh?
Down. You're opening it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, come down.
Yeah, you're going up.
You're going up, I'm coming down.
You're coming down. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
Alright. Yeah, it's leaking from right there.
Yep.
You hear it?
So do you want to try to cap this in a little bit further? Because it looks like, see how the rest of them are closed?
Yeah.
Like there's no gap. That one has gap on
You can hear it.
Yeah, hissing. Under pressure. That thing poking in the damn eye.
Bitch. What do you think? You think if we tighten that it'll work?
Let's try tightening that and see if it does. You get the other black wrench because it'll be easier to grab that instead of using the bigger one.
Are you kidding me right now? Bosch Honda Civic Spark Plus, $20. Somebody trying to sell that. What the?
Spark plug. Boy.
Don't say like what?
Fire his ass. Yo. Yeah, Mr. Forward. We almost both start to carry on. Eh?
Right now?
Yeah, right now, right now. Alright.
Yeah, get that line. Yeah, get that line when you go back.
Eh?
Yeah, get that line when you go back. Anyway.
Probably.
It's not an 8S. Yes, you can get it on that one.
We're probably gonna have to take it off.
Can you go tighter than that?
We're probably gonna have to take the
No,
line
because
off.
it's grabbing the other one.
Yeah, we gotta take the
That's
line
why I was
off.
trying to see if I could get this on it, but it's not an 8S, it's a...
Wait till they go start to put on the fitting for the nut or on the
Yeah, I think so. I'll take it out. How long me put on that one? Yeah? My two of them now leak. I mean, I'm not sure. You probably gotta take the line off. What you think?
Is it pressurized? That's square?
Probably.
Yeah. Because that ain't gonna fit.
That's why I don't like those single ones, because they never fit. So close, but so far. Yeah. Let me real quick. Don't worry, Brandon.
I'm worrying.
You'll get a lot of sleep tonight.
Ooh. It burns? What happened?
See all the marks on his arm?
Yeah.
That's from C85.
Fuck around with this bullshit. Shit we do to have fun, right? Hey, Mike. Alright, see you. What do you think? Should we take it off and check it, or just tighten it on there? Send it.
I mean, that's up to you. I mean,
You think it's like pinched on the inside?
it could also
Does it
just be
come
because it's not all the way in. That's what Chad said. Chad did that one. He's like, oh, he's like, you bottom them all the way out. I said, yeah, I always go as like
I
literally
always
to
do
the
too.
end.
Yeah, because that's what I did with all of these ones. And
Yeah.
if it's passing here, no leaks. Because I was worried about these two.
Yeah.
So if it's passing here, no leaks, then
That's the only one that's
yeah. So what do you think? Tighten it? Because I know sometimes, like, if you don't look, you can fold the rubber on the inside, and then that'll cause it to leak.
Yeah. But again, and that's the only one that's not all the way
Bottomed out, yeah.
Where's the wrenches stick?
I got them right here.
Make sure that good on you.
I feel like this one's fucked up.
Is it not when we go down there?
Kinda.
Sticking out.
Come on, man. it.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. I think so. Hopefully.
And then here, let me see. Come back.
So you know what? I gotta grab this up here.
Grab this side. And then turn that. Now grab in here. Grab the next one over.
The big one?
Yeah, and then come this. Pull your way.
Hold on. Let me make sure it's tight on there.
There, that's good.
Come on, baby. Don't fail me now. Let it down a little bit, fry me a couple times and see.
Yeah. Here, let's go wash our hands.
Yeah, see, that's the only thing, man.
What?
We can't tell how much gas is in the tank yet.
Dark. Dark.
Brendan, really use the iced coffee right now.
Wow, damn, I'm sorry. It's okay, Mike.
What's your nug?
Right here?
Alright, let me know when you're ready.
Alright, go ahead.
Any drips?
Anything leaking up front?
Oh. Nothing.
No drip. Check out front just to make sure there ain't nothing up there.
Yeah, it should be. I ain't nothing else.
That wouldn't be anything, right?
But
Was that there?
yeah, that's out of the trans. This one gotta put some more fluid in the trans. But this is fine. That's straight over there. If it's dripping, you'll see it just like how we see it in the back.
Yeah.
Hold this line like this.
Okay.
And let me know if you feel the pressure shoot up through it. I'm gonna do it one more time, Mike.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
I don't see nothing leaking from here.
Hold on. All right, I'm ready.
We gotta let it down some more so we can start, or you want to start it up like this? I mean, I can hop in it and start it up here like this.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, because I got...
transmission fluid and everything in it?
Yeah, trans fluid.
Hold on, let me look at TK. Or does he have the camera too?
Yeah,
No.
get TK too.
And then we'll have him do it. What you can do is put it in first gear.
We'll let it roll.
All the wheels.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, what do you guys say? This is the final moment.
Final moment, we're about to really be all-wheel drive. Oh man, it was a long week,
How
but
do you feel?
accomplished. With 50 nuggets hype.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. We're up here. Bad machine ready to start up, you know?
Hold on. I ain't ready.
How many cameras are you recording on over there, Brendan?
2. All right, tell me when.
Let's start recording, man. Run things.
Are you where, man?
Okay, got you. Yo,
You ready?
big time. Start up.
Check off.
Probably really quick release. Hold on.
Yeah. You want to take it off?
Yeah, I'll take it off.
I don't want it to distract me.
Yes, it's all right.
This side's already out.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll set it, wait, go over that way so we set it like on the table. We don't want to get scratched up.
You guys know what time it is? Pick up the fuel tank.
Ready again? Start at number 2.
Yeah, keep it running here.
Yeah.
Minute 2 ticks.
I'm going to put the white button at that time.
Hold on there, ready? Here we go. Ready to roll out? Go to that side? So you want me to raise it up? Hold on, I'm gonna go over there. Vamos. this out, I want to go back up with it. Alright guys, shut it off real quick. I'm going to lift it back up. Just go over the bolts and stuff. Yeah. Just make sure everything's good and then we'll go take it for a run.
Shit stinks, doesn't it?
It's the smell of victory.
Alright, here you go. I'm my temporary cameraman, Brandon.
How's it feel to have the cameraman with you instead of having to do it by
I'm
yourself?
telling you, dude. It's so much better. I'm running. Alright, y'all. So it's officially the last day. We're about to go. I'm saying S1 built for the win. You see where it's at. You see the love. We're finishing up some small stuff, you know what I'm saying? As y'all see, fuel cell, trunk cover, did 1 and 2 passes out here. Nothing too major, as you know what I'm saying? We just did it, so we just gotta do a few shakedowns and see what's up. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let's check out a little bit before we leave.
Okay, push it down, push it down. Okay, you don't need to tighten this one down.
I think it goes angled like that.
Yeah, buddy.
My bad. All holes are these. Oh, sorry.
We have Maya and Mino, the dynamic duo.
Maya and Mino, don't get us mixed up, okay?
That's mine right there.
Okay.
A little bit shorter than me, babe.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, she thinks she's tall now.
Uh-oh.
Just because she's
Oh my
4
God.
inches taller.
Yeah.
She thinks she's taller now.
It's the shoes. Well, yeah. You already know what's up. Good vibes, good vibes. Heading back to Maryland now. Don't want to leave, but it is what it is. Like, share, and subscribe. KuulGuyEnt, S1 built. I'm saying it's only gonna go up from here. Stay tuned. I got a lot more coming with this car. It's just the first stop, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, we have to say to the people.
Yo, people, big up Raheem for coming through. You don't know, the car was nice. Even though I'm gonna get to ride yet, I'm gonna ride soon, but you know, respect.
So we need S1's vlog, the one before this, to hit what, like 10,000 views?
10,000 views.
10,000 views, and I let him drive it.
Exactly, free
You know what I'm
all drive kit.
5,000 views on mine, and I give him the scare of his life. Right along, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put Pam in the back seat too.
And guess what, people? Guess what? Pam.
And if we get 20,000 likes, we let Pam drive it. So 20,000 likes on the S1 video. So go to S1, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to KuulGuyEnt. And then if we get 20,000 videos on likes on that video,
Yo, Pam can't hang.
these guys are trouble, yo. But the love is real out here, yo.
Yeah,
I'm saying, like, share, and subscribe. We out. No, we missed it.
It wasn't recording at all? What the hell?
No, I got everything on this one, mine.
What the hell, boy?
I was like, we gotta do it all over again.
Are you jealous?
Yeah. Be alone.
But yeah. It's official.